Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a QR code to your photos on Canva. Super simple, just go to more here and select QR code, enter the URL. I'm just going to just select a random URL like YouTube, and I'm just going to enter it, and I'm just going to customize it too. You can change the color of the foreground here, and also the background and the foreground here, and also the margin. I'm just going to make it like this big, and then you're just going to select generate QR code, and it's going to be added to your picture, so you don't have to go back and forth between websites that you can copy and paste, but this is just a lot easier to do in Canva. So that's it. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!